Hi there, this is Jeff Schroeder. Want to show you how to use Google Maps to get to our destination tomorrow. You only need to watch this if you don't know how to use Google Maps or are not familiar or need a refresher. If you know how to, go ahead and load those latitude and longitude into your phone or computer and print out or navigate how you like best. But for those who don't know, I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to type in Google Maps. That will bring us to the Google Map application, which we will open. And up in Google Maps, we're going to enter our latitude and longitude, which is 40.71174, comma, minus 104.92505. And when we do that, you can simply click the directions, and that will take us from our starting point, wherever that is. I'll say Weber Middle School, and there we go. It'll get us right out there. Now, when you do get out there, that will you're going to be looking for on the left or north side of the road at the top of the hill, underneath the high tension power lines. You'll see a double brown gate. Now that gate should be open, and there may be a car out there, but that's what you're looking for. Top of the hill, under the power line, at the double brown gate. You're going to want to take a left. It is a dirt road, so don't bring any super low slung cars, and do expect to drive about a half mile down that dirt road. It'll take you over a hill, and you won't be able to see the range until you go over the hill. We should be arriving with the bus around 9:45, depending on traffic and our bus driver, so hope to see folks then. All right, thanks.